Mr. DePinna?
Yeah?
Mr. DePinna, would you bring up one of those new skyrockets, please? Want to show them to Mr. Sycamore.
Sure.
Look, Penny, what do you think of these little firecrackers we just made up? We can sell them 10 strings for a cent. Listen. Pretty nice, huh?
Yes. Paul, have you ever been to a monastery?
No, I wasn't. Wait till you see the new rockets. We've got gold stars, blue stars, bombs, and then we got a balloon. That was Mr. DePinna's idea.
Did you do all that today?
Sure, we made up. Oh, here we are. Look, Penny, cost us 18 cents to make. We sell them for 50. Pretty nice, huh?